Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make baby oil at home. If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you can get instant access to our videos each time we upload them. The skin of an infant, especially a premature one, is sensitive, thin and fragile. The epidermal barrier is not fully developed. Consequences can be, for example, dry skin, peeling, etc. Baby oil can be used to maintain the skin moisture and protect its surface. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make baby oil at home. Baby oil can be made from the following materials. These are paraffin oil, glycerin, propylene glycol, vitamin E, and perfume. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 200 ml of baby oil. Paraffin 200 ml, glycerin 10 ml, propylene glycol 5 ml, vitamin E 5 ml, and perfume 2 ml. Now let me show you the materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. Now this is paraffin oil, this is glycerin, this is propylene glycol, this is vitamin E, and this is perfume. Now measure about 200 ml of paraffin oil into a container. In no particular order, add the following materials to the paraffin oil: glycerin, propylene glycol, vitamin E, and perfume. Now stir the content very well and your baby oil is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.